Pipeline construction requires a great deal of planning, consultation and preparation. Companies must determine market demand and confirm customer support before investing in a project. Following the decision to move ahead with a project, the company must assess alternative routes for the pipelines and select a final proposed route. Issues such as what communities need service, what size pipeline is needed, what natural resources might be impacted, what environmental areas and population centers might be intersected, and what other infrastructure systems lie along the road are just a few of the concerns considered. The appropriate materials for the gas pipeline are chosen based on factors like the type of gas being transported, pressure requirements, and soil conditions. Common materials include steel and polyethylene pipes. Once the road is established, excavation and trenching take place. Skilled operators use heavy machinery to dig trenches along the designed path, ensuring the proper depth and width required for the gas pipes. Once the construction right-of-way has been sufficiently cleared to allow construction equipment to gain access, sections of pipe are laid out along the right-of-way. This process is called the stringing the pipe. Sections of the pipe are designed and manufactured especially for their intended location along the pipeline. Location along a pipeline system may have different requirements for pipe size, pipe strength and wall thickness, and coating material due to the varying soil conditions, geographical features, or nearby population densities. The pipe may be transported from the pipe mill to the pipe storage yard near the pipeline location or directly to the right-of-way. After the pipe is delivered to the right-of-way, a stringing crew will carefully distribute the various pipe sections per the designed plan. The gas pipes are laid and assembled in the trenches, with section of the pipe connecting using either welding techniques or mechanical fittings. This ensures secure and leak-proof joints. Thorough inspections are conducted to check for any imperfections, damages, or potential issues with the installed pipes. Pressuring testing is performed to verify the integrity of the system by subjecting it to the specified pressure levels. Once the inspections and pressure testing are carefully completed, the trenches are backfilled with a suitable material such as sand or gravel. Careful compaction is done to provide support and stability to the gas pipes. The area above the installed gas pipes is restored to its original conditions. This may involve landscaping, paving, or other surface treatments to seamlessly integrate the pipeline to the surrounding environment. It's important to note that the specific steps and process may vary depending on the project, location, and the local regulations. The installation of underground gas pipeline requires expertise, adherence to safety guidelines, and close coordination among engineers, construction crew, and regulatory bodies to ensure a safe and reliable gas distribution system.